Take a look at this radar screen, and I want you to see something here. Look at the CAD pairs. And then look at the Aussie pairs. Look at the CAD pairs. The dollar CAD is up 72 pips, even though it is down against the euro, and the dollar is down against the pound, but it has made 72 pips move to the upside. See if I can try to adjust this data. Okay, I just changed the data a little bit because I guess the data they have before a certain time is corrupt. We did have a big push on Friday in the dollar CAD, so we're gonna analyze that later. But again, this is one of the observations that I just hit me. So let's focus on the euro dollar first. And this is the chart for the euro dollar. And in that, in the cash, in the spot, we did test the 131.45, and we placed a high at 131.68. So we went above that point with about 20 pips, and we ended the week by closing at 131.28, about 20 pips off the high, which is a decent close. We should be looking for continuation to the upside, and this will make our trade up in the euro quite easy. It shouldn't take much effort. So we will buy the euro. We will buy the euro when it trades above the structure point, which is the 131.45. This is going to be an easy setup. So we will buy it above 131.45, which is our structure long point, and in this case it will also be our stop. Okay, now on the short side, remember, we don't want to be taking the first short that comes up. This is a very strong trend to the upside, and any move down will probably be more of a pullback, or some of the trades that we should be filtering. So just by looking at this intraday chart, I don't know what they're filtering. I guess these are old lines that I had. So in this case, for the euro, any move to the downside over here, that is again considered as a pullback and a filtering trade. So we really do not want to push the short side unless it comes. Here is what I can suggest. We can take a short from here, simply because this is a structure. If this thing comes down, this will be, or from here, that will be the kind of a structure. So we can take, I don't like this. I don't like this. It's too high risk, so I'd rather short from here. Take it short below the 130 even though this is 120 pips, it doesn't matter, but that is going to be my short, and my stop is going to be above there. And you guys that have the software, we can filter the first trade and take the second, but that is basically it. So we're going to go short below 1.30, and our stop is going to be 130.30. I'm going to put my stop over here, also 130.30. That's my stop, and my structure short point is going to be the 128.73. So my structure short point is 128.73. Okay, so for the euro dollar, we are going to be buying it above the structure point, which is 131.45. It's going to be our structure long point and our stop. On the short side, we're going to go short below 130 even, and you can see here on the daily we also had a short or a buying signal at 130.08, so actually both of them coincide with each other. So this adds to my level of confidence in being short below the 130, and my stop is going to be 130.30, and my structure short point is the 128.73. Okay, that is the euro dollar. Let me save that.